Hello dear friend, welcome to the Pure Mathematics channel. Here in this class, it is class 100, it is question 131. In this class, we want to solve an exponent equation 3 to the power x plus 9 to the power x is equal to 27 to the power x. We want to find the value of x. Solution 3 to the power x plus 3 square whole to the power x is equal to 3 cube whole to the power x. Here we can write 3 to the power x plus 3 to the power x whole to the power 2 is equal to 3 to the power x whole to the power 3. We have a rule in power. If we have a to the power m whole to the power n, we can write a to the power n whole to the power m. We can change the place of exponent. Here we substitute y is equal to 3 to the power x. From this equation we get y is equal to 0. Y greater than 0. Y is positive. Y is positive. Now this implies y, instead of 3 to the power x, we can write y plus y square is equal to y to the power 3, or we can write y to the power 3 minus y square minus y is equal to 0. This, from here we get factor y square minus y minus 1 is equal to 0. This implies y is equal to 0, or y square minus y minus 1 is equal to 0. Now we verify that this is a solution or not. If we put y is equal to 0, this implies 3 to the power x is equal to 0. It has no solution. No solution. So y is equal to 0 is not a solution. Now we want to solve this quadratic equation y square minus y minus 1 is equal to 0. We have a formula y is equal to, if we compare this formula with general form of quadratic equation, a into x square minus b into x plus c is equal to 0. Therefore a is equal to, we have a formula x is equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 into a into b over 2a. So here y square minus y minus 1 is equal to 0. Actually a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 1, c is equal to minus 1. Therefore y is equal to minus 1 minus b minus 1 is equal to 1, plus minus square root of b square minus 1 square 1 minus a, here we a 1 multiplied by b minus 1 c minus 1 over 4 into a into b. 4 multiplied by a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 1 over 2 into a is equal to 1. It is equal to 1 plus minus square root of 1 minus 4 multiplied by minus 1 plus 4 over 2 multiplied by 1 is equal to 2. Therefore y is equal to 1 plus minus square root of 5 over 2. Here we get 2 answer. Y is equal to 1 plus square root of 5 divided by 2 greater than 0. Y is equal to 1 minus square root of 5 divided by 2 less than 0. So it is not possible. It is not possible. Why? Because here we say that y is greater than 0. So here the value of y cannot be less than 0. Now we want to see when y is equal to 1 plus square root of 5 over 2. We put instead y. The value of y we have 3 to the power x. This implies 3 to the power x is equal to 1 plus square root of 5 divided by 2. We take log both sides, then we get log 3 to the power x is equal to log 1 plus square root of 5 divided by 2. According to the law of logarithm, we can write x into log 3 is equal to log 1 plus square root of 5 over 2. This implies x is equal to log 1 plus square root of 5 divided by 2 whole divided by log 3. It is the value of x. Actually, we get that x is equal to log 1 plus square root of 5 divided by 2 whole divided by log 3. It was the solution of this question. Thank you.